Hello, welcome to Module 2. What is adjusted gross income? What is the best for you? Itemized deduction or standard deduction? In Module 2, we explain all the answer for you. Video, adjusted gross income, will explain what is above the line, what is below the line. And itemized deduction changes, itemized deduction versus standard deduction. This two video will explain it to you what the itemized deduction changes are and what is the best for you. I have a tax return preparation for you. You need to print out Dubois practice tax information and watch this video. The first one is Elise Dubois basic information and income, and the second one is itemized deduction. After you watch this video, you have chance to practice the tax return. This is an assignment number 2, tax return with itemized deduction. After you do the tax return, you need to discuss adjusted gross income. And I have a group discussion. The group discussion, I divided the group into 3 groups with 4 people in each group. You need to discuss the tax paid on W-2. Each group will come up with a group discussion for the group and then respond to other peers' discussion. After you have done the tax return for assignment number 2, discussion number 2, and group discussion, you need to do the quiz 1. And after doing all this, you finish the module 2, and this is an optional for you to read. You can read publication 17 or publication 4491 to get more understanding of the itemized deduction. After you're doing that, you can go to the Module 2 summary. You should have completed watching all the videos, submitting assignment number 2, posting discussion number 2, posting group discussion, submitting quiz 1. And you're ready for the next module. Thank you for watching.